Okay, so this is something which Jay had done. He had to cross out the item which does not belong to the group. Like this group says animals, lion, bull and zebra. So he had to cross the bull out, and he did this whole thing himself. He didn't do this with any help. Then this is present and past tense. Like the boy drinks juice. Yesterday he drank juice. So these are some things he's done this week. And he's understood the concept of present and past. And this is another singular and plural, like 1 butterfly, 6 butterflies, 1 star, 3 stars, 1 heart, 5 hearts. So he's again understood the concept of one and more than one. And then he's done sound discrimination. Again, he had to cross out what did not belong to the same sound. Like corn and carrot is one sound, so he had to circle that. And the lettuce he had to cross because it does not sound with the same letter. And pen and pencil, glue, lion, tiger and leopard. So he understood this concept and he did this himself also. The greatest achievement for him, he started writing simple words like sad words, add words ending with ad, like sad, mad, dad, had, fad, bad, pad, and also at words, sat, mat, cat, hat, fat, bat, pat. So now he's able to identify the sound and spell the letter out, the word out, and he's also started writing them himself. And these are some of the words which he's written.
Okay.
So that's really good progress this 1 week.